we are associated with Jai Machinery from past 40 years.
Yeah, I bought my first Jai machine in 1992. We have dust collector, we have bend saw.
Now we are planning for an expansion with multi-boring and beam saw. So low maintenance product and very reliable. Today also we have booked like 2 or 3 machines.
Wonderful setup. Great going, JaiAtInidaWood. Wishing you all the very best.
Jai Ho!